Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the monthly insurance cost on my three cars. Range Rover SVR, Mercedes SL63 AMG, and the Ferrari 458 Italian. Now when we talk about insurance, there's a lot of variables out there which directly impact the cost of insurance. Your age, your driving record, married, single, divorced. A lot of things go into determining what your insurance costs are going to be for your cars. So keep that in mind. What my costs are may be totally different than what your costs would be on the same three cars. Also, the region that you live in the country plays a big factor in it as well. But nevertheless, I'm going to share with you what I pay on a monthly basis, and you guys can tell me if you think it's reasonable, if you think I'm paying too much, if I should shop around, etc., etc., etc. Now, when I was out looking for insurance, I wanted to make sure I used an insurance company that was a national brand. Also that had brick and mortar locations in the area that I lived in, just in case, I couldn't get a satisfactory explanation via telephone. I would be able to walk into my local agent's office and have that conversation with them if I needed to. So I chose State Farm. I've been with State Farm about 10 years and it's been great. Not sure if they got the best prices, but I've checked around a couple of times over the years and they've been pretty competitive. So that's who I chose to insure my three cars. Actually, I've insured all my cars through State Farm. Certainly no plug for State Farm. I'm just telling you who I decided to go with. There are other equally good insurance providers out there, both online companies and online and brick and mortar companies. So without further delay, let's take a look at my three insurance policies and discuss the insurance costs for each one of my cars. Now, the first one we're going to look at is going to be my policy for the SL63. So you can see right there, $763.76. Now, that represents the semi-annual payment. Now, that includes full coverage, rental car expenses paid. If your car gets in an accident, you can get a rental car at no cost. I believe my deductibles are comprehensive is $500. Collision is $500. Let me look on the. Yeah, so $763 is what I pay for this beautiful car right here on a semi-annual basis. So almost $1,500 a year on an annual basis. Now let's look at the SVR. The SVR, I'll get you to focus here. There you go, $803.51. Again, that's semi-annual. So roughly $1,600 a year on the SVR. Now the SVR is outside in the driveway, so won't be able to give you guys a beauty montage on that one, but at least you can see what I'm paying. And as you can see right there, it says 2016 Land Rover Sport SVR, although they don't have the SVR on there. And again, there is the 2013 Mercedes SL63 AMG, and again, $763. So right off the bat, you got the SL63 at about $1,500, a little over $1,500 annually. And then you have the SVR, about $1,600 annually. Now, here we go. Let's take a look at the 458. All right, so let's put the 458s right here and let's zero in on it. So almost $1,100 every 6 months on the 458. There you go, 2015 Ferrari 458 Italia. And again, there's our semi-annual insurance payment. So almost $2,200 a year on the 458. Okay guys, don't be alarmed. I know I got things all over the hood of the 458, but the whole front clip of this thing is paint protected. So it has PPF on the whole front clip, hood, bumper, mirrors, everything. So no damage is being done to the hood, no scratches or anything like that by putting my insurance paperwork on here. That is the insurance cost for my 3 cars. Let's recap. SL63, roughly $1,500 and some change a year. SVR, $1,600 and some change per year. And the 458, $2,200 per year. So that totals to about 47 and some change, $4,700 and some change annually, almost $5,000 per year to insure the SVR, the 63, and the 458. So what do you guys think? Is that too much? Is that about right? Now keep in mind, I got full coverage. I got uninsured motorists. I did discuss what my collision and comprehensive is. It's $500 each. I got high bodily injury limits, rental car reimbursement, you name it. I didn't skimp on anything. It's full coverage. My driving record is clean. No tickets for speeding, no tickets for moving violations or anything like that. The only blemish is a low speed front end collision in the 63. I had it was about 5 miles an hour. I hit the back of someone's car really lightly, but I did have to have the whole front bumper replaced with OEM Mercedes parts, etc. So that's really the only impact that I've had over the last 5 to 10 years, nothing else. So obviously that goes into the premiums that I'm paying. But all in all, almost $400, I guess about $400 per month to insure all 3 cars, and about $4,700 per year. I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop me some comments. Let me know if I'm paying too much in your opinion. Again, periodically I will go out and do a little bit of shopping, and State Farm seems to always be extremely competitive. And again, you may find cheaper insurance out there, but when you're in an accident, you want an insurance company that's gonna, one, take care of you, respond to you when you let them know you have a claim, and do everything they can to get your automobile fixed, and not just fixed, but fixed to factory spec. So that's important to me. And I'll pay a little extra in order to get that convenience. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If the video was helpful, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and share the video. That's the insurance cost on 3 pretty nice cars, less than $5,000 a year. But again, clean driving record, 1 accident, 1 minor accident. Other than that, hey, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay peace.